A skillet is a pan with a flat bottom and slanted sides. It is sometimes called a frying pan because its slanted design makes it ideal for stir-fry cooking and other quick cooking methods. The skillet is probably the hardest working piece of cookware in any kitchen. It's what we reach for when it's time to make a frittata, fry up some eggs, sear some steak, and so much more. Hence, when it comes to choose the best skillet, quality of construction is critical. For your convenience, we have selected and prepared a list of some of the best skillets available in the market. If you're looking to buy one, then make sure to check out the description below for more details on the products and their latest pricings in the market. Let's start today's video with a stunning product from Mauviel. Mauviel presents several different lines of copper cookware to professional chefs and home cooks that enjoy the benefits of their high-quality products. The Mauviel M'heritage 250B Copper Skillet is excellent for serving, including scrambled eggs and omelets, sauteed vegetables, and more. The skillet is a combination of two sturdy and traditional materials, copper and stainless steel. This blend of materials stimulates the pleasure of cooking. The copper allows for excellent heat conductivity and control, and the stainless steel interior is ideal for all daily cooking needs. The 18/10 stainless steel interior preserves the taste and nutritional qualities of foods and is easy to clean. The skillet features an attractive bronze handle with stainless rivets for durability. It is built in France with a lifetime warranty. This Le Creuset pan blends the advantages of cast iron with being easy to maintain. It comes with a black enamel interior that never needs seasoning and a vividly colored exterior, available in multiple colors to match your kitchen or add a pop of color. The interior resists staining and dulling, and it is very durable. This pan comes with a long handle as well as a large loop-shaped helper handle that makes it more safe and comfortable to move the pan, even when it is full. Since it's made of cast iron, it preserves the heat well, and it stays hot for longer than regular stainless or aluminum pans. Just like any cast iron pan, this is heavy, so you might not be using it for flipping vegetables or pasta. The enameled cast iron has been known as one of the most robust materials available for cookware because it maintains heat and promotes gentle, even cooking at low temperatures, ensuring that the best flavor is brought out from the ingredients. It is perfect for being used on any heat source, including gas, electric, radiant, ceramic, halogen, induction, or solid fuel. There is also a tight-fitting, enameled cast iron lid that helps to seal in heat and flavor. Food will be preserved hot as you bring it to the table for serving, and you will surely want to serve out of this beautiful piece, as the deep color and shiny finish will brighten any table setting. Roast, fry, grill, stew, and makes one-dish meals with the Presto 06857. The skillet comes with a built-in pour spout that doubles as a spoon rest. The base and handles can be detached and nested in the pan for easy cleaning and storing. The skillet is excellent for every meal. Big 16-inch bottom and high sidewalls offer extra serving and cooking capacity. It saves energy because it is more practical than a range burner or oven. The tempered glass cover and stay cool handle let the skillet double as a buffet server. Control Master Heat Control retains the desired cooking temperature automatically. 120 volts, 60 Hz only and easy to clean. Fully immersible and dishwasher safe with the heat control removed. Reach for versatility, convenience, and high performance quality with the induction suitable Anolon Nouvelle Copper Hard Anodized Non-Stick Frying Pan, Twin Pack. This skillet boasts a durable, hard anodized frame crafted with copper to deliver excellent heat control. The double and full cap bases on the 8-inch and 10-inch non-stick fry pans include copper cores layered with the aluminum and stainless steel, making them suitable for all cooktops, even induction. The premium quality non-stick on the pans is metal utensil safe and delivers long-lasting food release and easy cleaning. Its cast stainless steel handles offer an innovative flat rivet technology for effortless cleanup. It is oven safe to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and features a flared rim for a drip-free pour and is an ideal supplement to many other items in the Anolon collections. Cook any meal with comfort and confidence using the Anolon Nouvelle Copper Hard Anodized Non-Stick Frying Pan Set. This set comprises both an 8-inch and a 10-inch skillet, so you will always have one handy. They are made from hard anodized aluminum for superior heat distribution and easy food release. The surface is metal utensil safe, so you can use any appliances you own. The base of the pan is equipped with a layer of aluminum encapsulated with copper, then another layer of aluminum, guided by a stainless steel cap. This gives it superior heat distribution and excellent heat control. The handles are riveted on for security, but the rivets are flush on the inside for easy cleaning. The pans are oven safe to 500 degrees. Sear, brown, and pan fry with Tramontina tri-ply clad 12-inch fry pan. The tri-ply clad cookware exceeds similar products within the market with its performance and delivers great quality and value to the cooking professional and enthusiast alike. Providing outstanding performance, dispersing heat quickly and uniformly without hotspots. Combining the perfect beauty and durability of the premium 18/10 stainless steel and designed to withstand repeated usage, even in the most taxing kitchens. This NSF certified cookware is perfect for home and professional cooks who want the ultimate quality and performance. Constructed of a satin finished 18x10 stainless interior cooking surface, an internal layer of pure aluminum for maximum conductivity, and a magnetic stainless steel exterior. The full clad process makes this cookware a valuable investment that will prove its worth each time it is used. The premium stainless steel construction allows you to use this cookware on any cooktop, including induction. Features a riveted, ergonomic stainless steel handle for extreme durability and comfort. If you are in the market for new cookware and are planning to go with All-Clad, you have already made a great choice. D3 Compact couples the reliability and durability of All-Clad's most popular collection, D3 Stainless, with all new features for the modern cook. It presents 3-ply bonded construction all the way to the rim in vessels, composed to neatly store in smaller spaces, along with new molded handles, interchangeable lids, and flared edges. This D3 stainless 12-inch fry pan is ideal for searing, browning, and pan frying almost everything. The wide, flat surface of the skillet heats up quickly and uniformly, and the low, sloped sides are perfect for smooth turning, especially important when searing delicate foods like fish. The 3-ply construction combines 2 layers of stainless steel with an aluminum core connected all the way to the rim of the pan for even results across the entire cooking surface. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and show us your support. Have a great day.